Hello guys, look. Adivasi boys are collecting fish with the hook at this time, and they have lot of experience, guys. Look. And if you want to see the technique of fishing with the hook, then you just come here in the Laoti river. And if you will come in the Laoti river, then you will get to see how they are fishing and how they are collecting fish with their traditional technique. And here also, look guys, he also collecting fish with the hook at this time. Look what a beautiful place. And at this time the weather is very lovely and clear. And look guys, he had got lot of fish. And again, look guys, look. He is collecting fish from the river. Look what a beautiful place. And don't forget to come at this Laoti river, guys. You will get lot of fish, and they are collecting fish with the hook. Oh, I say, look guys, he is collecting fish. Kaise na khao na, kaise? Look guys, he is collecting fish with the hook. Look guys, still fish are not eating the food. Look how they are collecting fish, and they have lot of experience, and he know how to fishing with the hook, and he is a very expert man. And with their traditional Adivasi technique, they are collecting fish at this Laoti river. Look guys, what a beautiful. Kawan na hilaw. Lagaw me.